It's okay not to know, I guess, as long as we talk about it. Can I just quickly say, Rod, what is the purpose of regulation? It's ultimately to protect people. We don't regulate the use of computer keyboards because you can't really cause damage by it. I mean, unless you hit somebody over the head with your.
Hmm.
We do regulate driving and seat belts because you can cause a lot of damage. And the reason we need regulation in the AI space is the amount of damage we can cause. Now, here in South Africa, we have the privacy regulation, POPIA, somewhat aligned to GDPR in Europe, but we are not even able to enforce it yet.
Mm.
I mean, if you think over the last few years, we had massive data breaches with TransUnion, Transnet, Dis-Chem, and others. And what's the penalty in the legislation? It's 10 years imprisonment for the directors and or 10 million rand fine. Nothing has happened. My worry with regulation, I hope I'm answering your question though, Rod, because I was thinking
Hmm.
about this as we were speaking, is we can't even get it right with privacy. How are we going to get it right with AI? We need it. We hopefully by July, August, we'll have a regulatory framework in South Africa.
Hmm.
But I think it's like that schoolboy. If they don't catch me out, I'm going to do it. I don't think comply about maybe reputational damage if we get it wrong. But I just don't. If I could be blunt, I'm sure it's a safe space. I don't think anyone's going to give a shit. Not in this country.
Hmm.